Welcome to Decor Menu, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations and decor tips. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and decor pieces ideas which will make you look twice. Incorporating wood furniture and decor pieces into your living spaces can profoundly transform the atmosphere and aesthetic appeal of your home. Wood, as a material, possesses a warmth and natural beauty that can enhance the environment in myriad ways. When thoughtfully selected and placed, wooden items can evoke feelings of comfort, tranquility, and style, leading to a harmonious living space that encourages relaxation and connection. This exploration dives into the benefits of adding striking and unique wood pieces to your decor, aiming to elevate both functionality and visual interest in your home. One of the most significant advantages of integrating wood elements into living spaces is the versatility that wood provides. Wood comes in various types, colors, and finishes, allowing it to adapt effortlessly to different design styles, be it rustic, modern, minimalist, or eclectic. This diversity grants homeowners the freedom to experiment with various aesthetics and find the perfect pieces that resonate with their personal tastes. For instance, a reclaimed wood coffee table can anchor a cozy farmhouse-style living room, while sleek, polished wood lines can enhance a contemporary space. This adaptability ensures that wood can complement any interior theme, making it a staple material for decor. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content so far? If so, please watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Beyond aesthetics, wood has an innate ability to bring warmth and a sense of coziness to a space. The natural textures and tones of wood create an inviting atmosphere that encourages occupants to feel at ease. Unlike colder materials such as metal or glass, wood has a tactile quality that invites touch and interaction. When placed thoughtfully, wooden furniture and decor pieces can make a house feel like a home, fostering an environment conducive to relaxation and social gatherings. This warmth can significantly enhance the emotional quality of a living space, inviting individuals to engage with their environments on a deeper level. Moreover, wood's character comes from its inherent uniqueness, ensuring that each piece is distinctive. Every plank and grain tells a story, allowing homeowners to infuse personality into their spaces. This individuality cultivates a sense of authenticity and charm, distinguishing one's living environment from standard mass-produced designs. By incorporating eye-catching wood pieces like a live-edge console table or an intricately carved wall hanging, inhabitants have the chance to showcase their style and make intentional choices that resonate with their life stories. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, wooden furniture and decor pieces serve practical purposes that enhance functionality within living spaces. Multifunctional wooden items, such as ottomans that double as storage solutions or wall-mounted shelves that provide both decor and organization, optimize space utilization. This pragmatic approach is particularly beneficial for smaller living areas, where maximizing every square inch is essential. By incorporating wood furniture that balances beauty with utility, homeowners can enjoy stylish environments without sacrificing practicality. The emotional connection to wood furniture and decorations cannot be overstated. Many people have fond associations with wood, whether from childhood memories of playing with wooden toys or family gatherings around a wooden dining table. These nostalgic ties can evoke a sense of comfort and familiarity, nurturing a positive emotional response each time one interacts with these pieces. Incorporating wooden decor can serve as a reminder of cherished moments and familial bonds, deepening the emotional resonance of the space. Investing in well-crafted wood furniture not only enhances aesthetic appeal, but also encourages a sustainable lifestyle. Wood is a renewable resource, and when sourced responsibly, it can minimize environmental impact compared to items made from non-renewable materials. Opting for sustainably harvested wood or reclaimed wood pieces reduces the carbon footprint and promotes ethical consumption. Homeowners who prioritize such choices can feel good about their impact on the environment while enjoying beautiful solutions for decorating their spaces. Moreover, the durability of wood makes it an excellent material for long-term investment. Quality wooden furniture often withstands the test of time, providing both beauty and functionality for generations. With proper care, wood can age gracefully, developing a patina that adds to its character rather than detracting from it. As homeowners seek to create sustainable, lasting environments, investing in solid wood pieces proves to be a wise choice that yields both economic and emotional returns. Adding striking wooden decor also contributes to a tactile experience in living spaces. The sensory engagement with wood, its smoothness, warmth, and natural grain, can create a more dynamic atmosphere. This tactile quality can stimulate touch and promote interaction, inviting people to engage with their surroundings. Accessories like wooden bowls, sculptures, or wall art can serve as conversation starters, enhancing social interactions among family and friends. These pieces often cater to both visual and tactile senses, fostering a more enriching experience within the home. Furthermore, wood brings a sense of grounding to a space. The organic nature of wood connects individuals to the earth, fostering a feeling of stability and tranquility. This grounding effect can be particularly beneficial in today's fast-paced world, where individuals often seek solace and balance. By incorporating wooden items into living spaces, people can cultivate environments that promote emotional well-being and a sense of calm. Economic considerations should also not be overlooked. Wood furniture and decor pieces can sometimes yield higher resale value compared to items made from synthetic materials. As people shift toward appreciating craftsmanship and sustainable practices, well-maintained wood pieces often attract buyers looking for quality and authenticity. This potential return on investment encourages individuals to prioritize wooden decor, knowing they are making choices that can benefit them in the long run. Incorporating innovative wood pieces can also set a creative tone within a home. Unique wooden accessories, such as artistic wood slices or contemporary wood shelves, can serve as focal points that draw attention and inspire conversation. These distinctive additions encourage a sense of individuality and character, reflecting the homeowner's personality and taste. Employing creative wooden elements promotes originality and cultivates a home environment that radiates inspiration and vibrancy. Moreover, the refreshing scent of wood can contribute positively to the indoor atmosphere. Many people find the aroma of wood refreshing and comforting, reminiscent of the outdoors. This sensory aspect can enhance the overall experience of living in a space, creating a connection to nature that many crave in urban environments. By including wooden elements in decor, homeowners can evoke that natural scent, further deepening the ties to the outside world. Additions of wood pieces in living spaces can also promote a sense of balance and harmony. Natural materials often create a sense of cohesion, melding well with other elements such as textiles, metal, and stone. This synergy helps create a harmonious environment that pleases the eye and promotes a sense of tranquility. A living space filled with a variety of materials can lead to visual clutter, while wood tends to create a more unified aesthetic, providing a sense of calm and order. Furthermore, wood's natural origins set it apart from mass-produced and synthetic materials, reinforcing a connection to craftsmanship and artisanal quality. In a world where handmade, locally sourced goods have become increasingly valued, wooden pieces exemplify the beauty of human creativity and labor. Investing in wooden decor can thus support artisans and local craftspeople, fostering a sense of community and appreciation for skilled craftsmanship. Homeowners often find that incorporating wood furniture and decor encourages mindfulness and intention in their lives. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and decor pieces ideas which will make you look twice. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.